Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have read the title, then you will know this is an exciting video in itself because it's a makeup challenge. Now if you have been following me on this YouTube channel, then you would know that I have done a similar video before, but I did not like that video. Like when I had posted it, I watched it, it was okay, but just a month ago or something, when I was scrolling through my YouTube channel, I just clicked on that video and the video quality was really bad. And strangely, when people watch that video, nobody messaged me personally or mentioned in the comments, video quality acha nahi hai. So I was not satisfied with that video, but I did not want to delete it because it will count in my watch time, which is a big issue on my channel. So here I am doing a video again. So it is again going to be a one brush makeup challenge, and I'm just going to use one brush and I'm going to do my complete face of makeup. So if this video interests you, then please keep on watching. If you like beauty and lifestyle related content, please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Let's get started with the video today. Now as it says, it is a one brush makeup challenge, which means I'm going to use a one single brush. I'm going to do my eye and face makeup and whatever else that is required for a makeup look using that one brush. So the brush that I have chosen is from my collection, and this is how the brush looks like. So it's a dense, not very dense, but it's a fluffy brush, and hopefully it should help me in doing my today's makeup. As far as possible, I will avoid using my fingers because that might defeat the whole purpose of this challenge. So now without wasting further time, let's get started. Now this is the Novage Pore and Line Perfector. So this is what I'll be using as my primer. I've already moisturized my face, as you can see. I've also applied lip balm. Now I want to take a little bit on my hand out here, and I'm going to put it in places where I have fine lines, like under my eyes, also on my nose and this part of my face where I have a lot of pores. So I think this is an excellent product by Oriflame and it's quite pricey. अगर आप इसको afford कर सकते हैं, you can definitely try it. You can use it as a silicone primer for your face. So yeah, this is the first thing that I have applied. Now moving on, I always start with eye makeup first. Now since I'll be using the same brush, I'll be using a tissue and wiping it off because फिर पूरा face गंदा ना हो जाए. Now after my primer, I'm going to first apply some concealer on my lids because I will be doing my eye makeup first. So for my concealer, I'm going to use this one, the NYB concealer stick. I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. And using my mirror, I'm going to look into the mirror and then use this brush and blend it. Now I'll be not setting it with a powder. I'm going to start with my eye makeup. Now for my eye makeup, I'm not going to use an eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to use the Savannah Colors Bronze Professional Bronzer Cum Highlighter. What they say. My shade is 04. I think it's called Natural. I'm not sure if this is still available. You can check on Amazon though. Using the same brush, I'm going to dip it into this one and this one, and tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply it in my crease. So this is what I have achieved so far. So the light is kind of washing me out, but I am trying to do my best here, and I'm doing it simultaneously on both the eyes. Now I still feel the crease is not that deep, so I'm going with the darkest shade in that one and just placing it here outside and slightly bringing it in. Okay friends, so I brought the camera a little bit closer so that you can see what I have done so far. Like I said, I'm going to put this darker shade out here and take it a little bit inside. On with the eye makeup, I'm going to use this NYB Long Island Kohl Eye Pencil. Now this shade is golden, so इसको मैं directly apply करूँगी lips पे and it will be out here like that. Okay friends, so this is what I have done so far. I applied the pencil on my lid, and mind you, I have not used my finger. Now I feel with this eyeshadow pencil or crayon, you must use your finger. That will be the best bet. But since we are now stuck up with one brush, so I will go ahead and use the same brush. I'll wipe it off a little bit on the tissue so that any residue is there, it will come off. And then I'm just going to try and blend it and try to make it look kind of seamless. So strangely this brush is also taking off some of the product, so I guess I will have to reapply a little on this side. So all I can say while I'm doing this challenge, I'm really scared because I'm really a person who uses brush and very particular about the brushes that I use. So let's see what I end up with. Okay friends, so this is what I have ended up with. Now I'm not happy with how it's looking and I cannot use my finger and blend it. Also this brush was kind of rooming the product off, which I was not liking. So again I'm going to clean off that brush and I'm going to take a little bit of that bronzer and I will go ahead and blend the crease so that it looks much better. Moving on, again I am going to clean off that brush and I'm going to use the lightest shade out here and I'm going to apply it under my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm done with the eyeshadow application. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use a kajal again from NYB and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line as a kajal. Okay, so now that I've applied the kajal, I'm slightly going to smoke it out using this brush, and mind you, it's going to be really difficult. Okay, so this is what I have achieved so far. I am not happy with how it is looking, but I think this is it. I'm not going to do any more, makeup or karistani karni nahi. I'm going to keep it fairly simple. I'm also not going to apply any eyeliner because I don't feel like applying today. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my eyelashes. For that I'm using my eyelash color. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. This is the mascara I'm using. I will try and list the products in the description box. Moving on, I'm going to fill my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the Miss Claire eye pencil and I'm simply going to fill in the gaps. Alright friends, so I'm pretty much done with the eye makeup. This is all I could achieve with that one brush challenge. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer and some foundation. Now to start off, I'm going to use a color corrector under my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the Darling Isabella lipstick in Playful Peach Royalty. It's a matte lipstick and it is a peach color, which is really good for me because I have horrible dark circles. I'm going to apply this out here, and it's super duper dry and it's going to be a mess when I blend it. So again, using that same brush and cleaning it off as much as I can on the tissue, I am going to go ahead and blend this, and I'm finding difficulty in blending it, but I'm going to try my best. Moving on, the next thing, I'm going to use this NY base stick and I'm going to apply it liberally under my eyes and every area on my face which needs some help, just around my mouth, next to this nose part, and here on my chin, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit here and there, also on my neck, because this is the only stick that I'm going to use today. I'm not going to use any other liquid foundation as such. And now comes the best part, and that is using this brush. So I'm going to try my best to blend it. I think it works decently. Like, you can use this brush to blend your foundation. So if you're going on a holiday, if you want to carry minimal brushes, this is a brush you can carry. मतलब एक ब्रश से आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So I would say not bad, but I would prefer a bigger brush. मतलब इससे थोड़ा बड़ा रहेगा तो ज़्यादा better होता है, because you can reach a bigger part of your face and finish your makeup quickly. So yeah. So as you can see, it kind of gets difficult, but you really have to walk into it. Alright, so now that I'm done with blending the foundation, I would say not bad. I'm going to apply this compact which is from Blue Heaven. It's the Matte Effect Compact Powder. मैंने इसका रिव्यू ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है मेरे चैनल पे, तो डेफिनेटली चेकआउट कीजिए. This is a good matte compact powder, very good for somebody who has oily to combination skin. So I'm going to first start off here so that यहाँ पे creasing कम हो, and then I'm going to apply it on the rest of my face. Now mind you, applying powder with this kind of a brush is very difficult. You will have to dip 10 times into it. When I look at my eyebrows on the camera, I really need to go and get my eyebrows done. So if you are living in Bombay, in Maharashtra, you would know that unlock phase शुरू हो गया है and beauty parlors have opened up. So hopefully I should get a haircut or something, because my hair has grown again. Also grey hair की तो बात ही ना करे तो better होगा. So yeah, I'm just applying the powder on the rest of my face. Okay, moving on, I'm lightly going to bronze up my face because it looks pretty flat and white at this point. I'm using the same palette and it's kind of getting difficult to blend, but I'm trying my best. Okay, so this is what I have achieved so far, and I'm going to go and apply the Swiss Beauty blush. Now I am going to use this color and this bottom color and mix it together, and I'm going to apply it here. Applying blush with such a small brush is really difficult. I'm then going to apply this lighter shade out here as a highlighter. Yes, it does show up, doesn't it? And so the last thing remaining is only the lips at this point. So I'm just going to wipe off the lip balm that I have applied earlier, and we are going to use a lipstick from Darling Isabella, and it is a shade number 4, Passionate Purple Royalty. So I really like this lipstick. I really like the whole range, but sadly पता नहीं क्या हो गया इस ब्रांड को. They sometimes come up with lipstick and suddenly गायब हो जाता है. By the way, I got this from Purple. Okay, so this is how the lipstick is looking like now. Like I said, I cannot use my finger. I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to mix another color with this one. So I am going to use this lipstick from NY Beige Stage Wear 20. So hopefully it will mute it a little bit. Not bad. I like the color. Just going to wipe off the excess which came off. So yeah, this is the lip color I have achieved. So lately I like mixing lipsticks because I have a lot of them. I need to finish them up, at least 50% of them. So this is what I have been doing. So yes, this completes my makeup look, the one brush makeup challenge. Alright friends, so this completes the one brush makeup challenge. So this is what I have achieved. Now if I have to look at myself on camera, I'm really pleased with this look. I really like that bright pop of lipstick. If I have to look at my face in a normal scenario, I would say not bad at all. The only thing I feel is the eyeshadow application. अभी ये जो shadow है एकदम blended नहीं दिख रहा है. It looks terrible and it is creasing a bit, and that is happening because I did not use a proper finger motion to set it on my eyelid. So yeah, that is the only thing. Rest highlight, lipstick and blush, everything is popping, and a little bit of concealer more would have helped and would have looked better. So yeah, I think I'm really pleased with this makeup look. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think guys of this makeup look. I'm really pleased. I never thought it would turn out this well. I could say I may have improved my makeup skills or whatever. I mean, I could have used an eyeliner, but I did not want to because the liquid eyeliner really gets messy, and the pencil one, that brush will make a mess. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this makeup look, and I really enjoy doing this challenge. I was a little bit less scared than the last time around because that was like literally my first time doing something like this. So if you do this challenge on your YouTube channel, do let me know. I would love to come and watch it. For now, I'm really happy with this makeup look, and this completes my challenge for today. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment down below. Also share it on your social media. Please do come and follow me on Instagram as well. I will mention my handle in the description box below. For now, I thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.